All of you please open your GK book to page number 7. Today we will study the new chapter, that is pets. What is the meaning of pets, children? Pets means the animals which we keep in our home as a friend or as a buddy or as a companion. Many of you keep animals at your home. Okay, children? Many of you keep cats, dogs, parrots, some small sparrows, dogs, horse, cow. So children, why do we keep these animals? We keep these animals because these animals are helpful for us. So in this figure, there are several animals written. There are several pictures of the animals given here, and you have to write the names of that animal. Your first animal is given, which is given, a very common pet which barks. Now children, which animal barks? You all know which barks, children? Dog, right? So you will write the spelling here, dog. That means a common pet. It is mostly people keep dogs as their pet. So it will be barks, which is written here. With the help of barks, you can write the answer here, dog. Very cute fluffy hair rodents are called calves. Now children, here you have to write the name of the animals. Very cute fluffy hairy rodents also called calves. Now children, what is the here? Fluffy means बहुत soft. Fluffy means बहुत soft. Hairy means the animals who have lots of hair on their bodies. And rodents means children जो जानवर कुतरते हैं, कुतरने वाले जानवर को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? rodents. Like you must have seen rats. रैट्स को आप लोग देखिए, अगर कोई चीज़ आप लोग रख दिए हैं तो वो लोग अपने दांत से जो है कुतर दिए हैं. तो जो भी कुतरने वाले जानवर होते हैं, जो अपने दांत से किसी खाने वाले या किसी भी चीज़ को कुतरते हैं, that will be called rodents. Squirrel is also rodent. Rabbits are also rodent. So here it is written, very cute fluffy hairy rodents called calves. You have to write the name. Thirdly, they are mostly white in color. They eat carrots and run very fast. I know children, many of you know the answer, this answer. They are mostly white in color. They eat carrots and run very fast. Okay, you will be able to do this by your own. These are flying animals which have feathers. Most of them are kept in cages as pets. Now children, here you have to write that they are the flying animals and they have feathers. You have to write which animals they are kept in cages. Cages means children पिंजड़ा. So हम लोग किस प्रकार, कौन सा जानवर जो है उड़ता है और किसको हम लोग पिंजड़े में रखते हैं? किसको रखते हैं चिल्ड्रन? बर्ड्स को रखते हैं. सो यू विल राइट हियर बर्ड्स. ओके. They grunt are white or grey and have a round snout. They grunt, that means they make a grunting sound. Either वो लोग white कलर के होते हैं और grey कलर के होते हैं. And have a round snout, और उन लोगों के नाक के पास एक round snout रहता है. तो what is the name of this animal, children? I know you will be able to write. So children, you write the name. From the figure, you can see that which animal is having snout. Snout means your round, this mouth here you can see in this figure. Okay children. Now a bird which is green and has a red beak, it can mimic humans. You all know, children, that which bird is green in color and has a red beak. It can mimic humans. Mimic humans means वो human beings का copy करते हैं. जो human beings बोलेंगे वो उसको दोहराएंगे. So that will be called mimics. A big animal which neighs and has a mane and a luxurious tail. Now children, a big animal which neighs. Which animal neighs, children? Neighs means हिनहिनाना. कौन animals हिनहिनाता है? Answer, I know you know the answer. Yes, correct. And has a mane. Mane means, children, उसके कंधे पर जो बहुत सारे बाल होते हैं उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? Mane. Okay, children? So, and a luxurious tail. That means उसका जो पूंछ है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा घना होता है. Okay? A common fluffy and cute carnivorous pet with whiskers and sharp teeth which meows. Now children, a common fluffy and cute carnivorous. Carnivorous means, children, the animal which eats flesh and plants both. So it is written, it is a common animal and it is fluffy, it is carnivorous and it has white whiskers with whiskers. That means उसके मुंह के पास 2 whiskers होते हैं जिससे वो बहुत कुछ डिडक्ट करता है. और उसके पास शार्प टीथ होते हैं और वो विच मियोज, और वो मियोज करता है. उसके नाम बताइए. सो चिल्ड्रन, I know many of you know the answer, so do this by your own. Okay? Now turn to fact. Each dog's nose print is as unique as human fingerprint, which is different for humans, for every human. Now children, you all know we all have fingerprint. In our fingers we have fingerprint. All the persons in the world, they have different fingerprints on their fingers. In the same way, children, dogs have nose print in their nose, and through that nose print they used to detect many things. कई सारी चीज़ को वो लोग nose print के help से वो लोग पहचानते हैं. जब वो लोग सूंघते हैं तो वो लोग पहचानते हैं through their nose print. So children, this nose print is different in different animals. Sorry, in different dogs. In different dogs, they are different. Okay children, do this exercise by your own. And I know, visit a pet store and note down the pets you see there. See whether you can recognize all of them. Children, many of you are having pets at your home. So, if there is a pet store near your house, अगर कोई pet store है आपके अगल बगल, तो वहाँ पे जाके देखिए कि कितने प्रकार के pets वहाँ पे मौजूद हैं. Okay children, do this exercise by your own. Have a good day now.